Are you looking for the best impact driver? In this video, we will break down the top 4 impact drivers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
At number 1. Porter Cable PCC K647LB. This cordless impact driver has a brushless motor which provides 50% more runtime. It packs plenty of torque for large fastening applications at 1,400 pounds and 2,900 RPM. There is a quick change hex that allows for rapid, one-handed drill bit changes, perfect for when you're standing on top of a ladder in a tight space. It's very lightweight, weighing in at 2.9 pounds and carries a 3-year warranty. The ergonomic design is 14% shorter and makes it easy to grip and hold. This is a handy tool to have around the house. However, with the 2 batteries included, it can be taken to job sites as well. Although it is lightweight and small in size, it's capable of handling powerful tasks. At number 2. DeWalt DCF887M2. With 1,825 inch-pounds of torque and big 4.0 Ah batteries, it is a contractor quality tool capable of driving large lag bolts. It has 3 LED lights spaced evenly around the chuck that illuminates the work area without dark spots or shadows. This kit can also be purchased with 2.0 Ah batteries for $200. The kit includes impact driver, 2 4.0 Ah batteries, charger, and a hard-carrying/storage case. However, it is backed by Limited, a 3-year limited warranty. At number 3. DeWalt DCF885C1. This best impact driver comes with a no-frills approach since the driver and a battery is really all you need. With the addition of a handy charging station to keep the driver going as long as you need it for any indoor or outdoor job you can imagine. This impact driver is a great option for anyone looking for a first-time or replacement power fastener. Coming with an independent charging station and the standard 1/4 inch hex chuck, it is small enough to fit into tight spaces without sacrificing on the power and torque it can produce. The driver head also includes 3 LED lights for illuminating the space you are working on. Well, what do you think of our first 3 impact driver? If you have any comments or questions, feel free to write them in the comment box. We love to read your reviews and we'll do our best to answer your questions. If you're not yet a member of our channel, please subscribe to the button and the bell icon for instant notifications of our next review. And now back to our list. At number 4. Milwaukee MLW 255320. This 1/4 inches hex impact driver is a fine 12-volt driver. With a soft rubber grip, and weighing in at only 1.8 pounds, it's a lightweight and comfortable to hold tool. With a maximum torque of 1,300 inch-pounds, this driver is well suited for DIY construction and remodeling projects. Note that if you already own a 12-volt drill from Milwaukee Electric Tools, you can share the battery for the impact driver, but if not, you'll need to purchase a separate battery. This impact driver gets the job done faster by being over 20% faster in application speed versus. Also, this tool outputs over 1,300 inch-pounds of torque that allows you to get more work done by completing a wide range of fastening,